In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play GTA 5 in mobile. No, we are not going to download GTA 5 to your phone. Instead, we are going to use free cloud service to stream the game. So let's dive into the video. First, you need to download this app. It's called Chikki Cloud Service. This is the app you need to download. Click on Install. After installing like this, open the app. First, you need to create an account with this app. To do that, click on Me icon and log in with your email. After creating the account, go to search bar and type GTA 5. After, it will show like this. Now click on play. Follow along with me. Click on play. Now it will show you your servers. Make sure to select the server with best ping. Now click on play. Now you will be in the queue. Wait until it is going to 1. Click on enter. Now the game is starting. Make sure to watch till the end because it's hard to navigate. Here, set the controls to navigate, or you can use your phone keyboard. Like this, your game will be starting. I will speed up the video, so enjoy. I zoom the gameplay to watch the gameplay easily. Subscribe if you have some useful information.